Hi, welcome to Company Sodi. In today's video, we are going to dive into some fascinating details about the company, including its latest updates and key insights. The Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company, a global leader in tire technology. The Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company is one of the world's largest tire manufacturers, known for producing high-quality tires for a wide range of vehicles, from automobiles to aircraft and industrial machinery. Founded in 1898 and headquartered in Akron, Ohio, Goodyear operates in 23 countries, employing approximately 72,000 people. With 57 manufacturing facilities and 2 state-of-the-art innovation centers in Akron, Ohio, and Colmar, Luxembourg, Goodyear continually sets industry standards for tire technology and performance. Key features: automotive and commercial tires. Goodyear produces a vast array of tires for consumer vehicles, commercial trucks, and industrial applications, ensuring safe and reliable performance across all terrains. Aviation and specialty tires. Goodyear's expertise extends to aviation, where its tires support various types of aircraft, and to specialized markets like motorcycles and earthmoving. Innovation centers. Goodyear's innovation centers in Akron and Colmar are dedicated to research and development, driving advancements in tire performance, durability, and sustainability. Retreading services. Goodyear also offers retreading solutions for commercial and industrial vehicles, extending tire life and reducing environmental impact. Engineering and manufacturing excellence. Goodyear integrates advanced engineering techniques and cutting-edge manufacturing processes to produce tires that meet the highest standards of safety, efficiency, and performance. Membership process. At Goodyear, the culture blends over a century of engineering expertise with modern innovation. The company offers a dynamic environment for professionals in fields ranging from manufacturing and engineering to retail and technology, all working together to drive the future of tire innovation. Company culture. Goodyear fosters a culture of innovation and collaboration. With a rich history spanning over 120 years, Goodyear continues to prioritize safety, quality, and performance in everything it does. The company is committed to creating forward-thinking products while providing a work environment that values creativity, growth, and teamwork. Company information summary. Website, link to www.goodyear.com. Industry, motor vehicle manufacturing. Headquarters, Akron, Ohio, USA. Founded, 1898. Company size, 72,000 employees. Manufacturing facilities, 57 facilities in 23 countries. Innovation centers, Akron, Ohio, and Colmar, Luxembourg. Specialties: automotive tires, aviation tires, commercial and consumer tires, motorcycle tires, earth mover tires, retread services, chemicals, engineering and technology. Goodyear's long-standing commitment to excellence and innovation positions it as a global leader in tire manufacturing, consistently meeting the evolving demands of modern transportation. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.